Problem 4-59. This one we're going to start on part B. So we're being given a rule and we need to use what we know about M and B to make a graph without making a table first. So let's start by writing in our rule. It's going to be y equals negative 2x plus 5. And so now we want to underline our B and our M. You don't have to, but it might be helpful just to remember which of these numbers is M and which one is our B. So here our M is going to be negative 2, which means our growth is negative 2. For every 1 we move along the x, we're going to change our y by negative 2. So this is going to be a downward slope graph. And then over here, our B is where we start. So we're on this y-axis we're going to be starting. So first of all, we want to draw the scale. So you could label each square. I'm just going to label 1, so we know each square is 1 in that direction. So here, we want to start our graph on the y-axis, so that will be our B. So let's go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a little 5 here so we know. That will be the start of our graph, because that's what our B is, our figure 0. And now we're changing by negative 2. That is our M. So for every 1 we go across the x, we're going to change our y by 2. So we go across 1, down 2. And do that again. Go across 1, down 2. One time, across 1, and down 2. So for each time we went across 1, we went down 2. And then to do the graph, we can just connect those dots, roughly. A little arrow on each side to show that it continues. And now it also is asking for a growth triangle. So to do that, you can just find 2 dots, and then just do a dotted line about what we did to find the next one. So we started here, we went across 1, and then we went down 2. It's going to be 1, and then negative 2. So that is the graph for y equals negative 2x plus 5.